Alright y'all, welcome back to Sleeper Barbecue. Today we got a quick video. We're just going to do some steak and cheese with instead of green pepper, we're going to use poblanos and onion. And the poblanos came out of my garden. We've already had a danger of frost already. It's what, October 12th? So I went in the garden and just picked what I had left. There's still some more, but I was going to give them a little bit more time. Hopefully they'll ripen up a little bit more. But we're going to get this thing going. I got a bunch of veggies to cut up, some poblano to cut up, some cayenne pepper to cut up, some onion to cut up. Fortunately, very fortunately, our beef rib steak is already shaved and chipped, so I don't have to touch that. But let me get some stuff going. We'll bring you back. All right, that's some of the peppers that I picked for the most part. I got poblanos, I got jalapenos, banana peppers, Carolina Reapers, cayenne, and somewhere in here little Asian chilies. Somewhere there, they're small, so they're probably near the bottom of the bag, but poblanos did pretty good this year. All right, y'all, sorry. So as you can see, in the name of time, I had to get things cut up. I've got one big onion, white onion sliced up. I've got 4 of the poblanos de-seeded and sliced thinly. Some olive oil and a couple pats of butter. And then, let's see, what else? Oh, right here, again, from the garden, I have some cayenne pepper. I'm just going to cut that, it's already chopped up, but I'm just going to cook it in with the shredded meat, the steak. So here's our cheater beef, already cut up out of the freezer. Mrs. wanted some sliced pepper jack, and we got some sliced provolone. Our seasoning today is going to be this Uncle Chris. This stuff is really good on beef, but Al Lunacy sent that to me a couple months back, and I really enjoy it. Good stuff. We get this Vevor 22-inch gas tabletop griddle going, and we will bring you back here in a minute. So on the steak side, it's pretty much the same as the poblanos and onion. It is a avocado oil. Did I say avocado first time? And butter. It's not olive oil, it's avocado oil. So I'm just going to cook all this up because it was going to be a cheese and steak pizza off the new oven, but I just at that time didn't have time for it. So we threw it in the freezer, and now I've got to use it that it's been unthawed. So that's what we're going to do. All right, so our steak is starting to cook. Got our Uncle Chris here, not to be confused with Uncle Steve. Not this cook, Uncle Steve. He has a fantastic product, but I'm going to switch it up this time. This shaved meat should cook fairly quick. I love this stuff, man. It makes a great sandwich sub. It would have made a great steak and cheese pizza too, but don't count that out. Need something quick for dinner. Alright, let's get another layer of that Uncle Chris on here. And I'm going to throw in our little bit of cayenne. brown rather nicely. Alright, we are just about done. I turned the poblanos and onions down and moved them forward. I think I'm going to call this steak meat done also. Move it over. Alright, we got everything over on the slow side. Oh, I was waiting. Buttered my rolls already. Gonna throw our provolone on. Lots of cheese. Gots to have lots of cheese. Now for the Colby Jack cheese. Mrs. Sleeper's in there waiting for some food, so I'm going to go ahead and get hers off here. Alright y'all, now it's my turn. So we got a big old helping of this meat. Plenty of cheese. Get some poblanos and onions and cheese. That's plenty cheesy. That's it. Alright, y'all, the moment we all been waiting for. I didn't even get it closed. I promise you, Mr. Sleeper didn't eat this whole sub. Looks pretty good. Smells excellent. Let's take a bite for y'all. That is a steak. And onion and cheese, Sammy. Excuse me. Alright, y'all. I hate to record, cook, and run, but I gotta go eat dinner with my wife. We try to eat dinner together every night at the table. Tonight's no different from any other night. So I had the sample for you. Out of this world, man. It's a great steak and cheese sandwich with grilled onions and poblano and cayenne peppers from the garden. Thumbs up. I'm Lance, sleeperbbq, St. Mary's County, Maryland. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you again. Thank you.